Tourney time! Today we're going to see why the BDR X13US is the one that you should get out of Pioneer's offerings if you're going to get a Pioneer drive. The BDR S13UBK versus the 2213 is better because it has UHD compatibility. Same thing with the BDR XS07 UHD versus the XS07S because it's got UHD support. Doesn't matter which one of these two you pick because they're just a different color. They're the same drive. This one though, the black one, actually has UHD compatibility. So if you're going to get one of those, get that one. And the BDR X08 UMBS is faster than the XS07 UHD, just because it's newer and stuff. Of the X13US and X13UBK, go ahead and get the US because it's got UHD support. And this versus the power adapter. I'm going to say this thing, the S13UX, is the one that you ought to get because these already come with power adapters. That's the end of the first round. On to the next round. Yeah, this one has UHD, this one does not. Which one was I comparing here? I don't know. The S13UBK versus the S13UX loses because it's all right, let's compare the 07 to the S13UBK. This one wins because it's got faster read and write speeds, although you might want to get this if you need a portable drive. Next one up is comparing the S13UX to the X13US. Right, so the only difference between these two is that this one has an enclosure, this one does not. This one has USB 3.2 Gen 1, which is at 10 gigabits per second. This one has 1.5 gigabits per second because it's SATA. This has low noise electrolytic capacitors, but I'm pretty sure the X13US has the same thing in it because it is newer than the S13UX. I don't think they're gonna have a difference of parts there. That's the end of the next round. The next round. The X13US versus the UBK. Again, SATA 3.0 versus USB 3.2. And in the last round, the X13US wins over the XDO8 UMBS because it's got faster read and write speeds, and you can set it on its side versus this one that has to remain horizontal because it doesn't have the clamp that holds the DVD in place like that. So go ahead and get this one if you just want the latest and greatest and best parts one that you can get. If you need a portable one that's like smaller and you can fit it in a backpack or something or in your pocket, if you have big pockets, you can go ahead and get the portable drive, but really they're all the same thing. As long as it's got UHD and you don't care about read and write speeds, because you're not trying to access data and you're just trying to play stinking UHD discs on a compatible system, you can pretty much get most of these, just as long as you remember that this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one don't support UHD. The rest do.